start with the teaching learning process. What is a teacher? A teacher can have defined in many ways. Simply, we can take a teacher will be a working with others, maybe called as a teacher. A teacher working with knowledge, the technology, and information. A teacher working in and with society. All this will be combined together, will be called as teacher. Teacher is not a person who deliver on the dais. Teacher will have look up the awareness of all the things in the knowledge as well as the technology information. As another definition can given in three areas for a teacher. A teacher required a knowledge in the sense how to teach a particular topic and how we are going to follow that curriculum knowledge and how this will be implemented with the help of the educational sciences with the psychology. Psychology is a major lacking area where there is a gap between the teacher and the student and how we are going to assess it. And the second area where a teacher can be defined as craft skills. In the sense, we have a plan to teach before the class and we have to use some different technologies, not only the chalkboard, not only the PPT, not only the YMR sheets I just we are displaying over there, but also other than that, some of the other tools has to be used to teach the students. And also we had to be monitor a set of students in the form of a group. We have also need to be monitor and assess the learning. The third area a teacher can be have defined is dispositions, meaning is the values and attitudes also be required for a teacher. Now, right, fine. Now, a activity of a class. A good practice is we are handling a 50 minutes of class or 1 hour of class. Now, in this class, we have going to teaching some concepts like the problem solving, some concepts like the programming languages, some concept with a combination of theory and some partial theory, some combination of maths and some part of the program. It's a combination of subjects will be there. Now, how better we can teach it? So a teacher, first of all, is called as a facilitator. Facilitator in the sense we have a clean observation in the classroom, how to evaluate, how to do the evaluation for the student. Without the clean observation, we can't teach a particular topic, maybe in online or maybe a offline. We have a some sort of grip on the academic needs. We have some sort of the maintain some assessment records, the experiments, and new ideas we had to give to the students so that they can have some interest. Like it's not a teaching should be a one-man show, directly one-man teaching. It should be interactive way, and moreover working whatever we are preparing for 1 or 2 hours of that particular class, it is a mandatory to how we are delivering. Maybe preparing for 2 hours, maybe within 20 minutes we can deliver in the class, but how good we are having handling that one. And the major problem when we are teaching the class in the classroom, definitely there is a ego problem will be there. So we have to be make sure we need to apply in the some cases the knowledge. I hope I have improved over my past years or semester performance. This is one of the core. Every semester whatever we are teaching, it should be assess ourselves how much knowledge I am going to be done compared with the previous semester. And come to this mindset of the students. The mindset of the students always will be in the form of like we can say only in the form of a tuition learning process will be there. But to avoid that, how the approach? So we are having the students will be not attending the classes regularly, especially in online. It's a very tough task, and our non-professional attitude towards studies and routine should be with respect to the student reaction. So the teaching should be continue how they are going to be catching our class. Based on that, our teaching will be varies. So our behavior should be, we are hiring for your qualification, we are always fight for your behavior, remember this. And for every topic or for everything we have a group, but for time to time, from things to things, we are having different gurus, directly or indirectly. We are learning from a book, learning from a Google. Sometimes Google will be a guru for us. Sometimes our colleague will be a guru for a topic. Sometimes maybe an online video will be a guru. Sometimes a textbook will be a guru. Sometimes an experience will be a guru for you. For everything, whatever you are learning. So remember, for everything, there is a guru for us to have to continue the topics in the classrooms. Now, if you see the pyramid of this one, lecturer, the most probably the students will be have very interesting only with 5%. If you are going reading is only 10% of this. If you are present your classroom as audio, it will be 20%. If you demonstrate, it will be a 30%. If you discuss the discussion group among the student batches, it will be a 50%. So by practice, if you are giving some sort of problems and assessing that, it will be 75%. Teaching other methodologies, combination of all this will be give a delivering and have fruitful and reaching to the student is 90%. I'm not say that without using all this, it will not be a class, but it will be a class. But if you want to say that more fruitful in the classroom, all these components should be incorporated in the classroom. Then only we can say it will be a more useful for the students. Right. Now see the path of excellence of this. A common, the continual learning innovative will be our subject knowledge should be required. Our subject knowledge is required, and your new teaching methodologies will be there. Research development will be also be there. Project planning is required, and institution industry interaction is required. Institution industry interaction is required. Generic skills is required. The leadership, group, and networking skills is required. And among this one of this is one side. Whatever we are discussing, this is one side of things. If you see another side of the another side will be is don't miss out our social and family life. This is another part. So give the importance to the both